Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love. Yes, guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. Welcome to Kenya Life in Jamaica. Okay, guys, so you know today, literally, we're gonna buy some groceries, you know, for Cranberry and the family, you know, and trust me, we haven't been up there since the house opening, and this is a unexpected turn up. So we all praying and hoping that everything is all is well up there, you know. I'm telling you, because you know, a lot of you guys say, oh, the house does not last a week, some say a month, some say 6 months and all of that, you know. But bear in mind, guys, you know, please. You know, hopefully them surprise all of us, you know, that everything is being maintained and everything is well, you know. So let's hope all is well, guys. So I'm gonna end here today and unexpectedly turn up. Them now know say I'm coming. I'm just turning up with these groceries, you know, that we're gonna get for them today. So you know, it's our Miss G. They usually been looking out for them, never stop looking out for them, you know. She's the one that sent the donation for us to go get some groceries, some household stuff for them as well too, and also we have some stuff to drop off as well too from Sandra that she'd also send in the box for them, you know, and also an X tablet as well too, you know, which she sent that tablet for Cranberry, because she said she know Cranberry already got a tablet, you know, but she want Cranberry for also get this one too. So it's up to Cranberry what she gonna do with it, you know. But she said she want to make sure that she also give it to her, you know, because that was the intention when she buy it, was for Cranberry to get it. So we're gonna see from there. So we give thanks to Sandra also. So we're gonna pick up those stuff back as well too, to drop them off. We're not going and make one thing, so we're gonna also get the groceries, drop those stuff as well. So we have a lot of stuff to bring across the river again once more, you know, bringing about some stuff for them. So it's nothing unusual that we don't used to by now, you know. So we used to crossing the river and all of that. So yes, guys, so as you can see, the journey, it never stops, you know. My journey, my duty, it never stops. So you know the thing goes, you're gonna always see me putting in the work. That's one thing for sure, you know. And you guys, remember, you're always gonna see Cranberry and the family face, because whenever someone donated, you're gonna see me appearing up there, you know, because you know the world love Cranberry despite what people will say about what's happening, you know. But trust me, the whole world love Cranberry and the family, you know. So it's nothing but love and love alone. So guys, please remember, if you're watching and you haven't put the thumbs up, please remember to put the thumbs up, you know. Thank you so much, you know, for your love and support. So put the thumbs up if you haven't as yet and you're watching. Put the thumbs up, and we thank you guys so much. So stay tuned, you know. I'm gonna head into Trenchtown to go and pick up some of the members them to head downtown, grab the groceries, and then we're gonna head on straight onto Marmy River once more again, up into Marmy River. Blessed love, guys. Peace. Gio. Right time still.
Big cooker, lock up star.
So.
Yeah.
Oh, cello.
What's up? You right, go pick up some cup. Yeah, boil soup up there.
Oh, yeah, boil soup.
Soup with fish and everything. Oh. Today I'm a birthday, you know.
You're too light.
Yeah. Take out
Yeah.
to them Earth Strong. Earth Strong, happy Earth Strong, Gio.
Yeah, man.
You know,
there,
one more Earth Strong. Pineda one just gone.
Pineda one miss me.
They are put boil some kong soup, fish.
Aye.
Some they call it fish. The red fish so them are big.
But
Soon.
Soon.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we're there upon the just reach back here in Trenchtown. I know the thing goes, so that's a donation for the members can get $2 grand each, you know, from Anthony from the US. So now we're here gonna give to Gio is and his birthday we can help buy soup. So this is from Anthony.
Alright, Anthony, big up yourself, you know. Yeah man, respect and love, you get me? Yeah man, love the donation and love one do. Keep up the work same as you. Respect again, one dream team.
Yeah.
You get me? Just they are going to do what can do today.
Yes sir.
So today I'm 32 I'm just going to live up, same way. You get me? Respect again Anthony.
Yeah.
Respect.
Alright, we have Pochelo. You know, 2,000 euros from Anthony.
Anthony, pleasant respect. Grateful and not in a line. I'm not in line again right now. I'm the one who could need to keep steady.
Oh, Neddy.
Yeah, man, for keep steady. And you know you're coming at the right time. Anthony, God bless them. Your food basket never empty.
Yeah. Them say it's not good food. Put phone when the breast is.
Yeah.
Know, yeah.
One
Cancer.
team, Kino, and a dream team.
Yeah.
Big up yourself every time, Kino.
Alright. Opinion of it? Shayara. We have Shayara over there and Daniela. Oh, let me call them because I rush to them in the town.
Oh, now go up, sir?
Yeah, go visit.
Yeah, Cranberry, yeah, thanks.
Yeah, we're getting an unexpected visit.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, thanks, Shara. Yeah, the right thing, man. Don't make them know, man. Yeah.
Today Chip's birthday too, you know.
About 5 away.
And Neely, at a lap son.
Yeah.
I'm going to shout the man them.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so as I said, we're going to head downtown now to go and buy the groceries. You know, and then we're going to head on to them. Smile them, no while them. Yeah. Yeah, Pineda. Pineda. Still a roar. I guess still on the toilet. Don't make me stop your ass spoil it. Say if you want to continue, you can go and try it. What boom there? Okay. Let's go call boom. So that's Pineda spot. Let's. Wow.
And then later a big party. But 3rd Street.
Gate here. Oh, park, man.
3rd Street.
Dynamite. Boom, dynamite. So boom here with the back of them. No, please not make the back rocker. Don't make the back rocker. One dynamite. Yeah. Yeah, I go downtown first. Yes guys, so this is Trenchtown and you see the situation how the members them is going. Let me say, my journey is always going to be continued because we have work cut out to do, you know, so we cannot make them have a living condition, you know. Best, so this is where Boom will shower sometime. He will shower right here sometime, you know, and then we probably go to the back of the yard to go use the outside shower, or into sometime we go on the next street over there, you know, to go and use someone else's shower, you know. So just imagine that these houses never built with no bathroom and then just a room alone with a little pavement, you know. So you know we have to construct a bathroom also, you know, for them. So everything take time. Things in life, everything take time, you know, but they will definitely cross the line. You know, once I'm alive, that's one thing for sure. You know, that's one thing for sure. I guarantee that. You know, they will definitely have a bathroom. You know, trust me. You guys gonna head down to town now and go get this stuff sorted out. Ready out. Boom, yeah. Oh, Rasta Jackson just a coming out for the work. Oh no, waistline Jackson.
Yeah, just a power now.
That is it. Evening, good look boy, good. Move, gotta move, cause I go down to town and grab some stuff. I'm gonna drop them off of a Cranberry. Movements of job people. Eh? Yeah. I think yesterday I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna drive. Africa unite. Lashan.
The best street downtown close to Jamaica. Ducky White, 72 bucks to a box for only $7,000. And Ducky White,
Easy day today, don't you? Eh? Yeah, what I guess I don't.
Panty 100, 150 and 2 bills a carry you make panty
$500 give you a shot. Salsa $500.
Tennis pads, so 15 bills. 15 bills for your man pads. You are right, man, over here, so for the kids, for the them. Man pads, tennis pads, so 15 bills.
Champion. Watch this. Watch this. Fall asleep and yes, I am princess from
On the rice and the rice.
Yeah. Alright guys, so no, you're not busy today. Alright guys, so now we're gonna start pick up some stuff for Cranberry and their whole family. Yeah, if we can get white and palm boy for charging. Charge.
Same amount or the less?
See them. Come have dark food in them something there.
One pack of flour?
There's two of the flour. They don't get put one more of the
Rice down.
white rice. Dark food. Dark food. What are the cornmeal? Get another trolley. One more of them trolley.
Don't put the great one at top right okay, now.
Get one more trolley. That one look like it's not going to hold much.
You're not buying the flour for the man.
Who?
Charging.
Yeah.
How far is that one?
Drop it. Drop it. You put the peanut butter in it. Boom. Take up one of the peanut and stick it. In it as well.
Dark food all that.
Bring it now.
Eh?
What are you making now?
Bring.
Now you have some local beer in the box.
Smart.
Yeah. I come 2 pounds back.
Put Lasco as well to sharp. Put Lasco in them. Yeah?
Not a little pack fair.
Put 3 of the big one then. corn flakes and then
But
something.
try to reach on this if you can.
It's condensed milk there.
I can't fix it about it.
The white one. God, I'm going
Fast food. I can get meal.
Let me look at the copy over.
all them have them bag out.
Yeah, them have them, but can you send me to them?
Can I get another two more?
I know we have that, so much we can buy.
One, just one.
One of these? Yeah.
The bigger one work out more?
Yeah.
That bigger one there?
Yeah, buy the bigger one?
Yeah.
Like, for them dry meat, no?
Yeah, buy the bigger one.
Then when I put them on the green, then them for snack time, then we wait them there. You put that in here, so. I don't know where my pop me up.
Oh, actually, Charlie.
One of them boys, so. You think them boys, so? I come charge.
The ramen them and then bring them bread. See bread there, so Shara? A white bread them I go eat them. A white them I go eat. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
give them one.
How much is the case for? The ramen. Not fine.
Make it okay.
A case that's cheaper. Yeah, a case. Milo. Yeah, right there. Milo, yeah. So you can put one and two. Kids snacks then. Yeah, kids snacks then.
But take like 3-3?
Hmm?
Yeah, 3-3.
Look, see the pack one them there. Them one there. How much a case?
3,360.
I could get one case. Yeah. Two different.
One of the big food and like cheese and
I'll get one more that one there then.
one more.
Sunshine, yeah, the sunshine part. You can also get that.
The other one.
Yeah. Two crackers. The Oreo. Eh? Yeah. Sorry, but no, sorry.
You don't want to work.
Yeah. Them work with the box.
3-3 they have the ramen.
Yeah, I'm tell them give you a pack. Oh, we are going to thin stuff now. Oh, we must get detergent and them stuff as well, material. So we get detergent, bath soap, toothpaste, fabric softener.
But then he said fair.
Dennis, come in here, basket. What that? We have some snacks in this.
Dennis.
Come here, yes, come in here, basket. You get soap, detergent, bath soap, fabric softener.
What kind of family size?
Yeah.
Put the soap in that, yeah, separate them. Family size there.
Go get to it. And the
Detergent in there. Buy tissue too?
yeah, fabric softener. The fabric softener. Don't you say there?
Pop arrow.
Don't you say? So the soap, see how fab soap don't you say, Esther? Fab soap.
Buy one pack of Cranberry.
Yeah. Yeah, I get the slim one. Put the slim one then. Put a
Flash oil. Where detergent? Oh.
put a dozen.
I give them. What's this? Not taking it to still?
Yeah.
Yeah, them.
Oh, get them one, yeah. Get them one there. Get which one I take?
Mackerel, I see a mackerel.
Which one that?
I see it there.
Spicy one.
This
No, man,
nice
don't get them the spicy. You know how much? How much that? Get them boy, put a dozen that.
You put a baby in there.
Yeah, you put baby and sardine. Put 6 sardine. 6 sardine. 6 baked bean. Boom. Pass 6 baked bean behind as well. Them round there, so. Yeah, just a small one them. And them wrap out retail on them. Them the same place on that side. On that side. Yeah. And get 3 of them.
Like sardine.
You put your finger already. Yeah? Yeah, put 3 of them in there. So let's have 3 tuna. Oops, that gone. That gone. No, because we buy ramen with them already. Ketchup. Let me ketchup there.
3 of them.
2 of them. You find what's this, sir? They have last car already. Get them one there. How much you put? Put another 2. Put another 2 in there. Oh, get them one syrup, because them have fridge now, them can mix. It's a syrup, that's all. Yeah. No, not getting that. That's a syrup. They're not going to use them. They're not going to have time. Some of them push them there. Let me see.
They always use the chocolate mix. Always them reasonable? Reasonable?
Yeah, you can take some of them.
Yeah, just some always see them. Reasonable? Reasonable? Yeah, one day over the side too, and one day up to the western end. I say for some current marriage or
come this like we. So we don't want to go over the budget. Yeah. So we just picking up stuff. We don't want to go over the budget.
Anyway, stop. Anyway, Margaret. You know, some maybe I can't maybe I can't stop the
Maybe a pack of Charlie. Can I get something from me? No. No. And are you get it from? And are you get it from my mommy, right? Mommy. Come on, sit down there. So we'll have to get the small puppy chow then, a couple of bags of them. Yeah, the puppy
You want to watch the money?
yeah, watch what I go on. We're halfway already. They're quite reasonable, you know, still. Quite reasonable. So, you know, look quite reasonable. Without a doubt. More than one.
Just come up there for a minute.
Them kitchen stack out. Very kitchen them stack out.
You ask small bag for the soup.
Brush. Give me 2 pieces soap and that.
How much soap I would get? 2. Could I get more soap?
Yeah, that's it.
Then I have a big one.
You want by the bag I do 29, you want so?
You want so?
Yeah.
Oh,
by the bag with 20, 49, 20.
Could I get more soap? 13.
They buy the back part with the 29 small on the can. I try so. Which part will buy the?
They have a small kids juice. Yeah, you get one case of that. You get one.
Yeah,
eh?
Yeah, this I'm going to buy the bag of part with 20.
Yeah.
You can minus this please. Just this one.
Eh? I get 2 kilos. Let me get 2. 2 kilos. 2,040. To get 2 kilos. 2. Yeah. Manage. I want to have it. So we can put some of the stuff in there. Some of the thin stuff in there. Put some of the thin stuff. This balance. But I want to like. What else you know? 10 to 11? Alright guys, so we literally just spent 41,000 how much? 41,000 much. So the receipt there. 41,154. And we have to give thanks to Miss G from New Jersey, for buying these groceries for Cranberry. Boy, we have a lot of stuff getting today. So we give thanks to Miss G from New Jersey for blessing the family with all of these groceries. Trust me. Hey. Come in, Jackson. Rasta Jackson and the Jackson. Oil let's see. Alright, guys. So we finish get the stuff then. I will give thanks to Miss G, from New Jersey. I will thank you so much, Miss G. We thank you so much, for blessing this family. And also we have to thank Sandra as well too, for the stuff that we're gonna bring as well too. Also with the knapsack, for Cranberry, and also the tablet as well. That's for Cranberry. We thank our extended family so much for the love and the support. So there we have Rasta Jackson right here. Rasta Jackson.
Yeah, every time, best in love, one time.
Yeah.
Extended family, love you every time. Yeah.
And we have Pineda around there.
Yeah, man, big up all my subscribers and my viewers, man. One team, dream team, outside.
And we have Dynamite.
Blessed and one love.
Explode with all his might.
Yeah.
And we have the next car behind. Esther is in her car. We have Esther over there. We have Denny's. And we have Shara, and her daughter, Daniela, over there in that car. So guys, here is the surprise. We're heading into the big surprise, this is the first time I'm actually turning up from the house opening. And so guys, you tell me what you think. Just leave it in the comment section, in the live feed comment section, anywhere you can leave it. What the expectation is going to be when we arrive at the house, what the expectation is going to be, because remember, they don't know that I'm coming, so guys, I'm saying, if it's not how you guys expect it, please take your time with them. Please take your time with them.
Not something them used to.
Yeah, so you don't know, so it's not a life with them used to or whatsoever, but we're praying and hopefully they can surprise us.
Yeah, man, if I keep it semi-clean.
Yeah, if I even semi-clean. Let them prove us wrong, but please, take your time with them, please. If something don't look appropriate or how you expect it to be, please take your time with them, for once. Alright? So Jackson, what do you expect the place is going to be like when you reach up?
Yeah, because for the first, me last time we go out there, if I tell us, just start to have something already. I'm not gone yet.
Pineda, what's your expectation?
Well, I expect them to keep up the place good still, but to the lifestyle where we know them used to. You see me I say? Yeah, we never really expect it to go fully look alright and splendid as how we left it, but we are hope for the best. We are hope for the best,
You see me? Dynamite, what do you think?
I think we're civilized up there. Yeah, man, civilized, man.
God. Man. So, guys, so tell me what you think, you watching, but we're gonna get, once we reach, and we hear what Esther them have to say, what them think, but we don't say we're just hoping for them to surprise us, to make a change, and surprise you guys, the viewers,
That's right.
Surprise the one that always said this and said that, the surprise.
You got Akeynote, then go down and start brush up and start
The dog them start
brush up.
But we're not saying go call them, we are march straight up there with the stuff then, because if we saying go call them, I'm going to start fix her up, put this on there, put that on there. So Kenisha, we're coming, Charge it, we're coming, kids, we're coming, so boy, we can't save you now, I've been trying to save you a lot, but no, we can't save you
anymore.
Anymore. It's out my hands. I'm just beg them, so if it's not appropriate, please guys, try save you take your time with them. Alright guys, so we here. This we here. Yeah. So Esther, what's the expectation with the place?
In the eye at all.
In the eye.
Very low. Not even medium. Low. Oh, my receipt.
Shara, what do you think? See him. Yeah. We are praying them surprise us. Yeah.
Surprise me.
Make them surprise we. Yeah. I'm telling the viewer them, so I hope them surprise we. And surprise, you know. We're gonna have like, oh gosh. They change overnight. We're not at the food or the rice. Come in. Yeah.
No, we're realizing.
Yeah, come in, boom. Damn. Moments like this. House opening. There's another house opening this. Yeah. We're anticipating. Surprise me, come on. Eh? Shh. Them spot me. Yeah, them spot me. Them spot me, man. Guys, them spot me. Yeah. Yeah, them the key now come. See there, see there? Them run go up there, see there? Them see, look, everyone got key now come. You know what I mean? Yeah. What the bag? In a slippery. That's Cranberry, them go up and them see it. See? Look, them start to take up stuff. Look, them take up stuff. Right then is. Longer than is. Oh, go on. Come help with them, Kenny. Look on Cranberry, run gun at the house now. Cranberry, run gun at the house. Okay, shall I bring that box here for boom? Boom, boss. Bring that box here for boom.
Hello? Yeah.
Watch it, Pierre run up and go on up there. My drop that is.
Back up.
Tati, go and do I bring it all the way in?
Yeah.
Make it stay on the veranda here, so. Sorry. Evening. Cranberry. You see everybody still a walk past without saying evening. Tell you about your style. You see everyone you still a walk past and not say nothing. So me have to tell you to say evening. So you see we are coming straight up in the kitchen. So you see we come here straight up in the kitchen.
I don't shop me then, we never come here.
That here do, stop telling lie, man.
So she busy, she can't call to it.
Should you see now run come straighten up?
Me?
Why is the drawer still open?
No, you can't get this up. What is
It's that here already.
Just see.
Fix up this back. Why does it stay like that? Why is the drawer open?
Sister.
What charge you there? Why the chest of drawer there over here so and the drawer you're so open? How are you going? Why the drawer open?
Where the next something open up on the wall?
Where's the next thing to be on the wall?
Jump off.
So why not pick it up?
Come on,
Huh?
Like them and dry for
So,
be rubbish to behind the bed.
the rubbish behind the bed.
In the back room, so like them and shit for the bed.
No, sir.
Cut the mango seed, Coco.
They're under the bed. Cut the mango seed.
The mango seed I do under the bed, Toko. Yeah. 1 week? No, sir. 1 week is too much. Yeah, so now comes it move.
Shift this. Yeah.
Evening. Put the fridge tab. No, sir. Good fridge tab.
Microwave have a space out?
Really?
You can't put it up on the stove.
When I start cook on the stove, I'm not cook yet on the stove.
Yeah.
I'll be on the fridge. Kenisha wants some beating. What's that? Kenisha wants some beating with Kenisha. I want some beating. If I have the stove, I don't cook on the stove yet. Then they ever cook on the stove as it. What's that? Excuse me.
It's a laugh, because we are dead in laugh.
You must dead in laugh. Kenisha don't want some beating with my belt. How much you get statues?
I know some just go up on the road, come nobody have nothing. So I end up make 2 calls. So I could get something for them because from morning I end up leaving. So I end up come back now.
So on the damages already. I want to shift the bed.
And most of them when I gone.
So Cranberry want to shift the bed?
Yeah, I make the room out of place and there's a tear.
So Cranberry, why not shift it?
Let me see.
Are you not speak to this? Why you shift it?
But
You know if you shift it.
When we that breastfeed, whenever shift it, prepare shift the mattress.
Togo, dash this. Dash this quick.
And you not get duty. You not cook on the stove and look how the stove stay. I not cook on it yet.
She did use it.
But
She did use it. And put that food on it.
and it stay so?
The fridge want wipe out.
Oh, the fridge want to wipe out. You just get the fridge. So on the promise me say I'm gonna take care.
Yeah, cause you want.
Stand up here, sir.
Yeah, cause you
On the promise me say I'm gonna take care of the place. We have pay rubbish underneath the bed. We have rubbish underneath the bed. You know what? Oh boy. Where's the child? Yeah, no, no. We can't have the fridge dirty already. The fridge. Oh, so. You know. Yeah, the house what business would just do. Call them do the stove. I don't know, cook on it yet. Alright. We done our best. Alright. Kenisha, no come. No come. Okay. Alright, well, it's hot. It is really hot, it's really summer. Summer is here. The summer is back. So. That, you know. So. Alright, Ken. Well, I promise me, so now take care of the place. 1 week. Can you show you what I'm going to do?
I wasn't here and I have to go for things for my kids to eat. So I have the excuse of saying that because I wasn't here the whole day. And we spread bed, and Cranberry did spread the bed before we go away. So
And the stove still away, the kitchen still away, the rubbish on the bed, drawers them open. Shanice, you know, so I'm sorry, I never was your big brother. I'm going to take off my belt and give you 2 first, you know. Yes, man. And the one Cranberry, she must just see where she run and not say hi to nobody. You walk past everybody before you say hello. Gosh. I'm not stop her from saying good evening to anybody.
So you never say good evening?
She never say no good evening.
Yeah, do I?
No, she walk past. When she see it, she walk home here. Walk. And try to fix up. No, the only one that say good evening. Not even talk or not tell her good evening. But anyway. I beg my people them take time with them. Viewers them take time with that.
They say, you know, I always say the strongest soldier, always get the hardest fight.
Okay.
You know,
fight
say,
again?
You know, the strongest soldier always get the hardest fight. And then tell you say, if you're never strong, you wouldn't get the amount of fight you get. So I am strong.
What kind of fight you get?
No, me I say, them always say it, so me I say it now. So me I say, sometimes I can blame myself for things that happen, and you know always show up. Not at the right time, but you know what? He did tell me same that will come today, and which guys me have to go out to get some things for my kids and me because I don't want them.
You never tell me I come today.
I know you're not gonna come.
Oh, you know?
Remember, I'm very spiritual. And I work with God. I asked Cranberry them, I was telling them today we're going to come.
I ain't try to surprise me then. If you know me, I come in and try to surprise me.
I try kids then. They want some
No.
food.
I ain't give them duty and say, uno do this, uno keep up the yard, uno do this. Yeah, the spirit tell us, say, you know what? Kino come, camera will come, you know, and the viewers, them, the extended family will donate and see the nice, beautiful house. You see me? We go surprise them. Can you know over there where I say you open and surprise me, you know?
That's different. What a clean spirit.
Yeah.
That's
One.
what they want.
This boy, I tell you. I just say strong, just so I get the hardest fight. You don't get no fight.
I'm not gonna fight. Just do what you have to do and a fight.
I will fight you. Tell me what fight you.
They comment them.
Them not fight, they must attack with them, see. And you have to just accept and know, say.
Nobody edits.
Yeah.
Nobody edits.
Well, because you know what, just make, because I've been having problems with too much kids on the camera, just make sure you stay off of the camera a bit. You know? And nobody lift up she.
Nobody take no lift.
So, remember, you know, if you put on a clean clothes, right? And have dirt on it. So somebody gonna see the dirt?
Because the clothes clean. Unless they're dirty, I don't know where them are going.
Hey, exactly.
And you go smell if you put on clean clothes and you never do it.
No, what I said, the clothes itself. From you put on your clothes and it's clean, but you see the dirty mark. Don't them gonna see the dirty mark on it? So where do you give them something to see? No. So when you give them something to see, where do give them something to talk about, alright? Exactly. You know? So if you not give nobody nothing to talk about, them have nothing to say. Kenisha, yeah, all the time with them and once I will come here to give you attention. Me want beat, you know. Me want beat, you know. Want beat, you know, with my belt so much. Oh gosh. Alright, so Cranberry, what is your duty if you're in the house? Your mother tell you to do.
Tell the sheep to clean up. I'm clean up for what yet.
What talk of
and
duty?
then dirty talk. Talk on do nothing. Shantara do nothing.
But it's Nana and Cranberry. And what are your duty, Kenisha?
Wash clothes and cook.
That's it?
Yeah.
Oh,
and sweep up the yard talk. Judge him hardly do.
So wash clothes, cook and sweep up the yard. That's an easy duty. Your duty is supposed to be the overall everything as a mother.
Sometimes.
That's a simple duty.
That's today. Myself still. Me come here to end up going.
You know, mothers is an inspiration to the world because show mother always duty always other than a man duty. You know? But you have to know for the second duty and have to do the right thing. But you know what? I leave everything alone. So here what we have today. Right, so boom boom. We start off with Sandra first, right? Yeah. Oh, what that? Something in the microwave?
Look like tea.
Okay. So here we have a bag here, you know, from Sandra, you know, from the USA. And these are some some kitchen stuff. These are some kitchen utensils and stuff in there for the kitchen. All different type of stuff where is needed for the kitchen. Plate, cloth, you name it, spoons, fork, everything. You know? Everything which is we can't tell enough to take care of it. I won't have to know what I'm gonna do with it. But remember say, you have to understand say people work hard, you know? And that's the only problem if you know say people work hard. Or you don't feel if you work so hard and you help somebody, you see like the result is not good, Kenisha. More you be honest. Just be honest. More you be so honest to the Almighty.
Alright, Mama say I do try. People say I don't try. Which if you did there, I have 4 daughters, which you can see is 6. That be about 6 now that I have and my niece is here because it's summer. Sometimes when I get out, I do things here and the girls in there, so that I'm gonna pull up. And which I try to tell them say, try sort out the place itself. And you know me have to go up on the road, which me not gonna make that as an excuse because before me even go away, I make sure the yard sweep up, make sure them do them duties before me even go away. So me not gonna say, yeah, I'm gonna try. I am trying. It might not be the best, but I am.
I can tell you something. You see that trench town there? The trench town is a place where it's very deprived. There's a lot of family in the house same way. now one room.
No, not yet.
Let's stop. Make focus yourself now, please. We have a lot of family where have one room, same way, with a lot of kids in it, same way. Me growing up and see them things there. You understand? But the parents is a bit more stricter because kids not give parents talk. Kids have to take talk from parents. That's how you know it. You understand? And once you give a duty, it have to work. Because even me can't go outside unless house duty done, yard sweep up, plate, wash up, and if my mother ever come, and my father ever come and that stays up, I worries. You understand? Me like freedom done, or me get licks on that. So I know say, when my mother talk, just like how you fear the Almighty, you see me I say, parents have to have respect for them when they tell you to do things. So if you tell them and them not do it, something else is wrong there. And much time we tell Tara, put on the puppy. And the puff and the dog them back in the house I run up and down. Yeah. So let's say as a bigger brother to you as a sister, you see me, don't feel like you're not putting your foot enough. You know, because if they not really listen, that means there's something else I go on. You know? Wait. Yeah? I feel like there's something else I go on. And the thing is, I run this program for much years, and the thing is, I don't want it blighting anybody else to get help. Because people are realize, or might feel like saying, no, I'm not help nobody on Akeynote program because we that try with that family, we keep on saying, money and go 2 ways. I'm foreign, you know, and people work another cool. Is the man saying them still try them best, you know. I'm not here to talk you down, but I just a bit, you know. Yeah, I better want you to do. I would just want you to stand firm as a mother, because if you not stand firm now later on, you're going to feel the same because I'm going to grow out of hand and now going to take no talk. You know, I'm not saying it's only you, also the daddy as well too, Chargy. Asha, a big small dog.
Hey, come on.
If you know that lock them out and keep them out long time, them would have come in here. But you leave that.
Police are going to eat.
I'm feel away, Kenisha. I'm not lie. I feel away because I just over a week now since we do the house opening. Just over 1 week. Me I tell you the truth. And me know what I spend and buy stuff. You understand? Me know and where I spend from before. You see me? I'm feel away. You see me? Because I have to try to protect this program so I can help other people. You understand? Remember when I time donation stop coming in, I'm going to tell you Kenisha the reason why donation stop come, because the people they kind of give up and realize every time they come, they see things all over the place, and then me step in and say, no guys, I'm going to take over this thing and just do it, as some people started doing it back. You know, and this was one of the reasons why. You know. But anyway, we have some stuff here. You know, as I said, this is from Sandra. Esther, give me the bag as well too. And also we have this knapsack for Cranberry. Yes. And also so Cranberry.
Stop it. No, I'm not with video.
So Cranberry is another tablet here, another box for you as well too. So let's run through these things quick and fast. You know, so you can, and also this knapsack is for you as well too.
So, thank you,
Sandra.
Thank you, Sandra. On behalf of Cranberry, thank you so much, and may God bless you.
So Cranberry, you thank her.
Thank you, Sandra. May God bless you and you have a wonderful week.
Alright then. And also these bags with the kitchen stuff then, with all the utensils and everything in here is for the kitchen. Right? So right now we have another 3 boxes of groceries. You know. People is being considerate, see them here. So these stuff is from when I say we do a video.
You know, say them really hungry for morning bliss, and but I end up running for some cash from a grandma for them, so them kind of miserable now. And judge in the day from morning itself, so I have to end up cut and come back and I just end up come off of the road itself for them.
You still pick up tires, but I don't know.
Go on. Mama. So, go off your juice, go on.
I'm going to just do this so I can just make an handle the business. So, we have these stuff here. We'll just buy these groceries, you know, which is from Miss G from New Jersey.
Miss G from New Jersey, thank you so much. On behalf of the children, thank you for the grocery. And may God bless you.
And you see all of these stuff here to buy here is 41,000 we just spend and buy all of these. Yeah, all of these. And these are things we've been doing from before.
As me I tell you, I have to try go on the road itself. So try get some things. Even guy me have to try talk to because God don't have my work itself. So try get something for the kids them. Sometimes you might feel like say, yeah, you might feel fuck up in yourself for do this, but sometimes people don't understand it. And I can't let the kids them here for them for hungry. And we train judge in the year after years. So I have to try go out and get something for the girls to do itself. If they may never come, I don't know what I do. Right now I get about 4,000. I have to end up buying some groceries and buy some food itself. So what can do is we have to try go out. And even the stall, even what them did I tell about the graduation, I end up go. I'm gonna have to pay the money when I get to the stall itself. I have to end up spending it back on graduation. About 20,000 I pay, and I have to end up pay it back to itself. Sometimes I always say, I see I help people and I wish I could have helped more people. But thanks to the help that we get, yes, but it's hard. It's hard. For your mother, you have to go out for fine. And you would, any mother would stay here and make them kids die for hungry. So I have to go out and try to get something for the kids them to eat.
Yeah, but how often you go out though? Because most of the time I come here, you're here. You see, it's all about, we just talk about whenever you're here. You understand, so you have to go out to make ends meet, to understand that. You know, but while you're here, but as I say, you have to just plant your foot. You understand? If you don't plant your foot, them not gonna have no respect and no care where you say because the foot not plant enough. So them gonna always do what them want to do. It's all about the parents being strict and no say yo your foot. You understand? Say you have young kids, yes, and if you say you're alone, but once you talk, no dog's not supposed to about. No, so she has said through more time she have to go out every day and come back. Yeah.
And when me even clean it and I come back, I will see him.
And then you tell them, say you clean up with the mess. Them have to clean up the mess behind them if you don't put on your food. You know? Alright then, later.
Yeah.
Yeah. What's up? Watch Look here guys, walk off the shoes.
When I got church and then he tell you my shoes back and gone.
Put me with slippers now. Say last time I take out the slippers that I carry and one man say put it in back.
See it in a kingdom, see some look cool.
Watch you again. Rotten. Look here guys. There. Dry rotten. Have them put on.
It's a product of this too.
Yeah.
What do you say I got church and support them nice white shoes and I say they need me walk with this now up on.
Yeah.
Not even reach far. I say no me I turn back.
Watch my shoes dry rotten guys.
Yeah.
And you see this shoe? You take care right, you know, because you know someone gave it to me. I gotta give them. I'm gonna take care right. So it's been put down, take care, I'm wear it. Not all the time, sometimes I have to take care. I eat man. Don't you Jamaica hot? Yes guys, I was gonna say we don't want to feel away. I mean feel away also, you know. I really appreciate, you know, everything that you guys did, you know, and we know everyone's trying, you know, we are trying and we try to talk to our. It's over a year and now been trying our best. We don't know what's really going on, you know, so it's only just, we don't know what, yeah, so I don't know really what's going on, you know.
she have to go out and do
yeah, but
when we are
fair
grown,
enough, she said she have to go out to make ends
when we are
meet.
growing in a one room same way with parents, we can't be a try that. We have to do our run, go play. If you not go, if you not do it, you not go play. That you want to play.
But I say there's a lot of them things that we see in a train town, like 6 people in a one room, 8 in one room. But the place always. I remember one time you have red polish on floor. No matter, I tell you, the house was empty with a one bed in it, but you can't see no footmark on the ground. You can't see no footmark. I'm say right now people are living worse way and them still. You see me? Alright, look upon Natisha, right? Natisha they live in a one toilet with our kids them. And we even when I go in a Natisha house, see me, it's still always clean. Just because she live in a toilet and she have everything in the house. You see me? There's much, but it's about us how you keep it. You know?
The more parental guidance.
Yeah. I guess she need help. She need help, you know, she needs someone to come and, you know, she need assistance, she needs someone that come and show her how to do it, you know, on a daily basis. You know, she need them stuff there. She need them stuff there. Of course, you can look up. Them there where them get as well to over there.
Yeah.
So this is what me tell you. These cups are what them get as well. Even the plate.
This is a set.
This is a set of plate them get as well the other day. And see them here down by the river. See them here down by the river. No sir. I say yo, watch out, my shoes my walk off. Dry rotten. Eh? Run at the back of the house? No?
That's why I say, want to the machine when they come away, go around there. Everything clean on the side.
Run at the back of the house, stay away.
Yeah.
Come true. You try. As I say, we understand what everyone was going through. You understand when you guys was all commenting and all of that. You know, it's just a fact where we try to prevent all of this, you know. There isn't nothing much I can really say. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.